problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is the straight line ax plus by plus c, this is equal to 0, bisect an angle between the pair of straight line, which one is lx plus my plus n, this is equal to 0. That is, it is given that this line is bisect a pair of straight line, one of which is this. So in a rough sketch, if we see that this is AB and this is AC, these are the pair of straight line, which one is given by lx plus my plus n, this is equal to 0, and the bisector is given by AP, this is given by ax plus by plus c, this is equal to 0, so that the other line of the pair is given by. So we have to find the value of AC. Now this line AC must be passes through the point of intersection of AB and AP. Okay, so any line passes through the point of intersection of two lines is given by this is lx plus my plus n plus lambda into ax plus by plus c, this is equal to 0. Okay, and this is the line 1 set. Okay, now we arrange the line as L plus lambda a into x, m plus lambda b into y, n plus lambda c, this is equal to 0. Okay, now we consider any point, let it be q, on the bisector, and any point on the bisector clearly given by q, the coordinate of q is 0, minus c by b. This is the any point on this line. Okay, because this point satisfy the given line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we have to find the perpendicular distance of q from this line, let it be qg. Okay, this is qg and let it be qr. And from the definition of from the definition of angle bisector, we say that two distance, that is qg and qr, are now perpendicular distance qr is given by mod qr is given by the perpendicular distance from q to the line AC, which is given by this, is given by mod of 0 into this, so this is 0, plus m plus lambda b into y means minus c by b plus n plus lambda c by root under L plus lambda a whole square plus m plus lambda b whole square. Okay, and clearly this is given by MC minus MC by b plus this is lambda c, this is minus also, plus n plus lambda c by root under L plus lambda a whole square plus m plus lambda b whole square. This cancel out, so we get the result mod of nb minus nc by b into root under L plus lambda a whole square plus m plus lambda b whole square. Okay, this is one of the perpendicular distance, and another perpendicular distance, this is qg. Clearly this is this distance, and it is given by mod of, this is the line lx plus my plus n, this is equal to 0, so 0 minus mc by b plus n by root under L square plus M square, and this is equal to MB minus MC by B into root L square plus M square. Now from the definition of angle bisector, we put the result in this relation. That is, this distance and this distance both are same, and getting the result as MB minus MC whole square by B square into L plus lambda A whole square plus M plus lambda B whole square, and the right side is NB minus MC whole square by B square into L square plus M square. Okay, and from both sides it is clear that B square cancel out, this and this cancel out, and getting the result L square plus M square, this is equal to L square plus M square, plus we get lambda square into A square plus B square, plus this is lambda into 2AB 2AL plus 2M. Okay, and we get the result L square plus M square, both are cancel out. That is, we get two value of lambda. One is lambda equal to 0 and another is lambda. This is equal to minus AL, 2 into AL plus MB by A square plus B square. But we see that lambda, this is not equal to 0, because if we put lambda equal to 0 here, then we again get the given first line, and we have to find out the second line. So we let lambda is this. Okay, now putting the value of lambda here, we get the result as Lx plus My plus n minus value of lambda, we put 2 into Al plus Mb by A square plus B square into Ax plus By plus C, this is equal to 0, and the final result is A square plus B square into Lx plus My plus n minus 2 into Al plus Mb into Ax plus By plus C, this is equal to 0, and this equation gives the other line of this pair, that is the equation of the line S. Okay, and this is clearly the required result. Very easy problem, but interesting problem of pair of straight line.